Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying permissions. You need to be the owner or an admin. Once confirmed, open the Power Automate portal and find the flow under My Flows or in Solutions. Make sure to disable triggers immediately, turn off recurrence when an item is created, or HTTP triggers so no new runs start. After disabling triggers, you can safely inspect run history and active runs without new executions interfering. This prevents additional actions while you prepare to stop running instances. Now you focus on active runs. Open the Flow's run history and filter for running or in-progress entries. Identify instances by timestamp and triggered inputs. Click into a running instance and use Terminate or Cancel on the Flow run. If Terminate isn't available, stop connector actions where possible. Once done, check for parallel branches or child flows. Make sure to cancel or terminate those too. After you stop individual runs, pause the flow permanently if you intend to prevent future executions. Finish by choosing whether to turn off or delete the flow. You can save as to preserve a version for later. If the portal won't cancel an orphaned or stuck run, use PowerShell CMDlets, Microsoft, Power Platform, PowerShell, or the Power Platform Admin Center to force stop it. Make sure to check connector retry policies, quotas, and service health if runs restart unexpectedly. If things go wrong, inspect run details for error codes and adjust trigger conditions before re-enabling the flow to avoid repeat runs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.